Hey, so it's Sunday, 7:04 p.m., Sunday, October 3rd, 2010. Um, I started this, I believe, Saturday around 4 p.m. I worked on it Saturday during the afternoon, then on Sunday pretty much, the whole morning and into tonight. Um, so let's just get started with the my Android application that's pulling the data from the server. It is in this application called Get Baller Data, so you can just click on that. There's two tabs. One retrieves errors from the server or parsing errors from the application, and then the data tab will just get all the data and display it. So if you click Get Latest Messages, it'll pull the server and then download all the data in XML format. I'll parse all the data and then just display it on the screen. So you can just hit Get Latest Messages, and it'll, this is one message on the server we have by me. I already put this in the server. So there's one message right there. I had issues with the XML parsing of some of the special characters on the XML file. That kind of took up most of my time today on Sunday, and then I just kind of gave up and decided just to submit what I have so far because I'd rather give something to you guys sooner than later. As you can see here, the date got cut off, so you should say October 3rd, 2010 at 7 o'clock or 6 o'clock, whatever, but that did not show up for whatever reason, and it was getting parsed into different text segments, so that's something for me to look at later, I guess. So that's pretty much the app. If you hit it again, there's only one message coming up because there's only one message on the server database right now. So let's go to the server database then. And we'll start off with the web application. The main page is right here. The URL I set up is a local server machine, so it's 10.0.16 running on port 880. And this is running off of an Apache server that's connected to the code igniter per your specifications. So I just took the main page from the template and then just kind of modified it to have a title and a form and all that. There's no form validation, so it's not really a robust program right now. But you can just type in your name. So I'll type in Big Ben, and I'll type in I am back playing football. And you hit submit, and then you'll get a thank you page saying thanks for your submission. May the force be with you. And there's a link here to return to the form page if you want to enter another message. But so let's see those. So technically, that data should have been posted to the MySQL database, and then be able to retrieve from a client application. So let's go back to the web app or mobile application, and we'll hit Get Latest Messages, and hopefully that will show up. Okay, here it does. The second message shows up right here. Big Ben, I am back playing football. You can see that's a couple of minutes later after I put in that first message. So let's, that's basically it. I guess we can go and put in another, message if you want to. Such as I will not throw an interception this week. And you hit submit, and again, it sends you back to the thank you page. You have the link to go back, and from the Android application, we should be able to get that message also. So yep, you can see a minute or so later. It'll show you the text, and so there's three fields on the database I had. Basically, it was the time that got posted, the name of the person who sent it, and the message you wanted to send. So it's kind of like a comment or blog field or whatever. And that's basically the Android application, the web application I put together for you guys. There wasn't much specification about how I should implement things, so I basically just did it how I felt comfortable doing it, which was set up an Apache local environment, then have that running the code igniter. This is my first PHP application. So I first set up the application, did a data model, set up the database, then did the HTML forms and the controller, and then posting the data. Then I just tested that, and then I wrote this Android application, and then I made a XML page that was the interface between the two, the client app and the server, which you can see here, I guess. Let's see. So the web application pulls get messages. Oh no, oops, no, it's the wrong URL. Sorry. So there's the XML file that gets produced by the server, which is the client application, Android application consumes. You can see here it's an XML format, and so this is getting downloaded to the application, and my Android application is parsing this, just in case you're curious. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much the application I put together. It took a little longer than I expected. There's a lot of bugs I had. The main one was, like I said, the parsing of the XML. The encoding got kind of messed up, and there's another bunch of other errors I came across also that I put in a log, so you can check out the log, and that'll show you like all the errors or all the roadblocks I had in developing this application. So I hope you enjoy that.